Hello everyone, friends. Today we are going to analyze XRP with you. And the last scenario we drew with Elliott Wave is available in the previous video on the channel. We said that there would be a short directional movement between $2.65 and $2.80. This happened in XRP. This section could not be crossed. Finally, we have a downtrend. We should focus on this. Yes, this downtrend is very important for us. I want to emphasize this very boldly. Look, we talked about the fact that in the channel here, the price could not cross the middle band, and the lower band was the target for us. This is where it came. Then we talked about the box that I have drawn here will be a resistance for us, and the price will make a downward movement from here. You see that happening right now. There was a breakout from the channel, and now it's in the retest phase. And when it performs this test, our direction will be clear in about 6 hours. If XRP does not cross $2.5 on the 4-hour candlestick chart, it will cause more intense selling pressure for us. So where are our targets? I will tell you that. Now here, 618 of the Fibonacci retracement level is a potential target point for us to come first. From this point, I think the price will get support for a certain acclimatization and give the opportunity for acclimatization. With the failure to exceed $2.36, I consider it normal for the price to go deeper to $1.50. Friends, the C wave may end here and may remain short. The shortness or length here is not important for us at the moment. The important thing is that the channel has been broken and a seller's pressure has started on XRP. Here I think that a zone between $2.11 and $2.80 is a potential buying point at first. XRP is a high volume coin and it has risen a lot. Look, the price has to make a certain correction of this rise. A drop in price is normal after such a rise. If we see these episodes, I think a potential long movement will come in the long term. This is the third video on the channel I have made, and I am proceeding with 100% consistency. Please subscribe to the channel and like it. With the analysis I have made against you, if I am now going to tell you what kind of place will be support for us in the long term, from here, I can tell you this. Look, I can very easily say that the 382 zone, that is $1.5, is a very important level for us in the wave that comes with the exit movement here. This is a difficult level to cross, and buyers will come here. The important thing is to follow the right direction, the right position together, and this is the main direction I will do for now, friends. This is a single wave, this is a single wave, and this is a single wave. And with the completion of these and the three-way combination correction, Elliott Wave is telling us that a bounce will come from these sections. What would this negative scenario look like if it doesn't materialize? Let's talk about it. The price needs to break $2.90 very urgently. Where is that? From these sections, the price needs to come back in and move itself upwards in this way. The first level of this is to try the 290s in a very voluminous way. If the price comes here, I will try to consider a long position in the return here. That is at $2.60. Friends here, the main scenario is a Bitcoin-based scenario. There is a critical situation in Bitcoin right now, and it is at a difficult threshold, friends. It is more prone to the negative scenario, but I do not expect a very hard movement in Bitcoin. The movement I expect in Bitcoin is a wave formation that we cannot fully understand what it is like. With such a decline, no one can open neither long nor short. At the end of this decline, a very hard sales wave may come in Bitcoin, and potentially 79,000, illis 86,000 long, may be the first region to come. I hope you will not hesitate. We are watching the prices step by step. Thank you for your support for the videos. Take care of yourself very well. Have a good day,